Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Last time we have discussed about MCQs of first year, first chapter, that was basic concepts, and in this video lecture we will discuss about experimental techniques in chemistry and its second chapter of first year chemistry. First MCQ is that science of the chemical characterization is stand under the heading of. Its correct option is analytical chemistry. We know that we use analytical chemistry for the analysis of many substances, many samples, many mixtures, and it is used to solve many problems in chemistry. Second MCQ, several types of filter media are used for filtration depending upon. We choose filter media by taking a view on nature of precipitate. What type of precipitate will form? According to the nature of precipitate, we choose filter media. Next, filtration by a glass funnel and filter paper is very slow. It's very slow, so it will be time consuming. A option is correct. It's time consuming. Next question, MCQ is rate of filtration through conical flask can be conical funnel can be considerably increased by using fluted filter. When we use fluted filter, we can increase rate of filtration. Next, gauge crucible is used to filter the solution of KMnO4. Those solutions which harm filter paper can be filtered by using gauge crucible. Next, 6 MCQs is basic principle of crystallization is that solute should be soluble in a suitable solution at high temperature. Its basic principle is that the solute should be soluble in a suitable solution at high temperature. So C option is correct. Seventh, premature crystallization of solution of filter paper or in funnel can be avoided filtering hot saturated solution using hot funnel. So its A option is correct. 8th MCQ, safe and reliable method of drying crystal in through. So its correct option is vacuum desiccator. Vacuum desiccator is safe and reliable method for drying crystals. Going to 9th MCQs, in solvent extraction, solute can be separated from solution by shaking the solution with solvent which the solute is more soluble. In this case, we use a solvent which have ability to solve the solute. So we can say that solute has more solubility with that solvent and we shake that solvent with that solution. 10th MCQs, repeated extraction using small portion of solvent are more efficient. We gain in repeated extraction. When we use any solvent, we take small portion and in small portion we obtain the maximum amount of solute. Next MCQs, its correct option, the correct option of 10th MCQs is B. Coming to 11th MCQs, to achieve a good separation, the two liquids are gently shaken to increase their area of contact. When those two liquids contact to each other, then we can say that there will be good separation. Their contact may increase their solubility, and when they increase solubility, we can say that there will be good separation. Chromatography, in which stationary phase is solid, is called its adsorption chromatography. we can categorize chromatography on the basis of stationary phase. If stationary phase is solid, it will be adsorption chromatography, and if stationary phase is liquid, it will be partition chromatography. Next, chromatography involves these distribution of a solution between. We use two phases in chromatography. First phase is stationary phase and second phase is mobile phase. So the distribution of solution will occur in between stationary and mobile phase. So its correct option is C. Next, chromatography in which the stationary phase is liquid. I have already told you about partition chromatography, that it is a type of chromatography in which we use liquid as a stationary phase. So its correct option is A. Next, 15 MCQs. In paper chromatography, the rate at which solutes move depend on. It will depend upon distribution coefficients. So B option is correct. 16 MCQs. Solvent extraction of an equilibrium process and it is controlled by. In case of solvent extraction, there occurs equilibrium, and in this we can say that distribution law can control its equilibrium. So solvent extraction is an equilibrium process and it is controlled by distribution law. 17 MCQs. The comparative rate at which the solutes move in paper chromatography depend upon. It depends on RF value of solute. So B option is correct. RF values of solute. 18 MCQs. A filtration process could be very time consuming if it were not aided by gentle section which developed. If we use any medium in which we put our filter paper and that filter papers fit tightly, so it can take a larger time, it will take too much time, and our filtration process could be very late and slow process. So its correct option is D. Next, solvent extraction method is particularly useful technique for separation when product to be separated is non-volatile or thermally unstable. If we have the product that we have to separate is non-volatile or thermally unstable, then we can apply solvent extraction, and its correct option is D. Coming to next MCQ, that's 20. During the process of crystallization, the hot saturated solution, we have to take medium size crystal, so we will cool the solution at moderate rate. So its correct option is B, is cooled at moderate rate to get medium size crystal. The aqueous solution of iodine is prepared first by dissolving which compound in water? We can easily see the given compounds, that B compound, that's potassium iodide, has iodine, so we can solve this for the solution of iodine. 22 MCQs. The meaning of chromatose, it's color writing. Chromatose means color writing. So A option or B option, both are correct. Both are color writing. 23rd MCQ. Which is not common way of carrying chromatography? We can carry chromatography by ascending, descending, radial or circular. But fourth option, D option, spreading irregularly, it's a bad manner. So we can say that we cannot, which is not common way of carrying chromatography, that's spreading irregularly. In paper chromatography, the stationary phase is We use water as a stationary phase on paper. In paper chromatography, the mobile phase is we use organic liquid as a mobile phase in paper chromatography. I hope that you have taken the concepts of all these MCQs, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Inshallah, I will come to you tomorrow with next chapter and its multiple choice question. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon.